Experiencing frequent disconnections with your Eero Pro system can be incredibly frustrating. When your network keeps going offline, it disrupts work, streaming, and daily internet activities. Understanding why this happens is the crucial first step toward solving the problem. Research shows that Eero Pro offline issues stem from 5 primary root causes. Let's examine each one to help you identify what might be affecting your network. The most common cause, responsible for 35% of offline issues, is overheating. Eero devices generate heat during operation, and when they can't dissipate this heat properly, they automatically shut down to prevent damage. Power supply issues account for 25% of disconnection problems. This is especially common with Eero units that are 3 to 4 years old or older, as power adapters can degrade over time. Network congestion causes 20% of offline issues. When too many devices connect to your Eero network, or when bandwidth-intensive applications consume too much data, the system can become overwhelmed and disconnect. Firmware conflicts represent 15% of disconnection cases. These occur when system updates are incomplete, corrupted, or when there are compatibility issues between different software versions running on your Eero devices. Hardware failure is the least common cause, affecting only 5% of cases. While rare, physical component degradation, manufacturing defects, or damage from power surges can cause persistent offline issues. Understanding these root causes gives you the foundation to diagnose your specific Eero Pro issues. Research shows that 85% of offline problems can be resolved through proper troubleshooting, and only 8% of cases actually require hardware replacement. Now that you understand the main causes behind Eero Pro disconnections, you're better equipped to identify what might be affecting your specific network setup. This knowledge is essential for effective troubleshooting and getting your network back to reliable operation. When your Eero Pro goes offline, start with the most effective basic troubleshooting step, power cycling. This simple process resolves about 45% of connectivity issues. First, unplug all Eero devices and wait exactly 30 seconds. This allows the internal capacitors to fully discharge and clears any temporary system errors. After 30 seconds, reconnect the gateway first and wait for it to fully boot up. Then reconnect the satellite devices one by one. This sequence ensures proper mesh network formation. The Eero app provides powerful built-in diagnostic tools that can identify network issues automatically. These tools can detect problems like weak connections, interference, and outdated firmware. Proper placement is crucial for Eero stability. Devices should be at least 6 feet away from other electronics, placed in an elevated position with good ventilation to prevent overheating. For maximum stability, implement an Ethernet backhaul connection. This wired connection between Eero devices eliminates wireless interference and provides a dedicated high-speed link for mesh communication. Reduce network congestion by segmenting your devices. Place IoT devices like smart bulbs and sensors on a guest network to reduce the load on your main network where computers and phones connect. Keep your Eero firmware updated automatically. Recent updates have improved stability by up to 30% and include fixes for known connectivity issues. Enable automatic updates in the Eero app settings. By following this systematic approach, power cycling, using app diagnostics, optimizing placement, implementing Ethernet backhaul, segmenting networks, and keeping firmware updated, you can resolve 85% of Eero Pro offline issues and significantly improve your network stability.